I don't think I've ever seen one of these that has these latches intact. Now, for a long time, the only real replacement option was to get more OEM rubber ones that in a matter of a few years are going to degrade and fall off just like the old ones did. But now there's companies making these billet aluminum anodized black. Like, these things look beautiful and they're pretty cheap. So let's put them on this machine and see how they work. Kit comes with screws. They mount just with a little screw that threads in. So let's pop this one on and see how it goes. Not the tightest fit there. Let's check the other side. Wonder if there's supposed to be a little rubber or something under here. I wonder if those rubber bumpers could use to just be a little bit taller. They do work. Like, they latch on, and I'm not sure, that probably won't really vibrate. I don't know, I'd like to see a little bit more tension on those than that. Let's see what we can do to get just a little bit more pressure on this. Check this out now. Nothing rattles, it's all tight. Let me show you what we did. So just a couple little self-adhering rubber feet right where these two rubber bumpers fit, just so it puts a tiny bit more pressure on those, and these just click right in, shut. Nothing rattles, nothing moves. That's fixed. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to fix the rear hatch on your Yamaha Wave Runner FX series. Thanks for watching.